Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we are doing an opening of Medusa's makeup. Medusa's makeup is a cruelty-free vegan makeup company that has a monthly subscription bag where you can get all their cool stuff. So let's go ahead. I've already popped it open to make sure everything arrived that was supposed to be in. And look, there's a bonus item. I'm super excited. I do have an affiliate link and a discount code for Medusa's makeup. I will put that down in the description box if you want to check out what products they have and, you know, buy something because they have some really cool stuff. But I'm just going to reach in here. And our bonus item, I think, is this. This is a cute little headband, which I could have used today, but although I'm kind of digging what my hair did. My hair wasn't quite dry when I was doing my makeup, and I put it up in a clip here, and it kind of gave it some extra volume, and I kind of like it. So, yeah, anyway, this is cute. It is a little pastel pink, and it's got little hearts on it. It looks white in the view monitor, but it is very pastel pink. Let's see. My shirt's dingy white, so that tells you it is light pink. It is a cute little headband. I'm not gonna put it on because like I said, I'm really digging what my hair is doing right now, doing its thing, and it's looking pretty, except for the part that's sticking to my face. There we go. Okay, so that's cool. I like that because the headbands I have right now are just plain old, you know, headbands. So, okay, fabric headbands. So this is information about the company. They are cruelty-free and vegan. They have makeup, skincare, and the beauty box, like I said. And then here's a glimpse at some of their products. So exciting, so colorful, so pretty. Okay. Next is something flat. Oh, this is the card that tells me what's in the box. So, excuse me. I won't look at the back to see what's in it, but this is their January box, or bag. So it is 2022, and it says goals. Let's make the world a more colorful place, and that sounds like a good resolution for 2022. I think I'm ready to make the world a more colorful place. Okay, and there's something else. Oh, we got a face mask. Oh. And it is a sheet mask. Yes, yes. Okay, I was like, it's really small, but I see there's a little sheet mask icon there. This is from Beauty Host, and it is a blueberry repair calming facial mask. Cruelty-free and vegan. And then, yeah, that is a nice, nice plump feeling facial mask. Just what I wanted. I mean, I'm working on my facial masks, but... Alright, and then everything else comes in this little bubble wrap packet, and the rest of the bag is empty. I love that they have these iridescent pink mailers. They're so cute. Alright, so everything else in the bag comes in this bubble mailer. You know, unlike other boxes, you know, they don't give you all the stuff you don't need, although the bubble mailer is kind of cute. So, alright, I'm trying not to look through it. Okay, I'm going to grab the first thing, and it is... one of my favorites. I'm actually working on one right now. It is their Rage Against the Bean Vanilla Vegan Lip Balm. It is wrapped in plastic. I don't like the plastic wrap. I was like, I'm going to leave it in here. I'm debating. I'm working on one right now. I'm going to leave it in here for now. Just because, or I could just do, okay, I'm getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of the plastic right now. That way I don't have to put it in storage. But yeah, I'm working on one right now, and I am loving it. It is very oily and slick and smooth feeling, so it's not overly waxy, and it just smells like vanilla frosting, and it's wonderful. I'm loving it. And I got this one. I got the one I'm working on right now. I got back in November, so I'm working on that. But this is a good to have a backup. Rage Against the Bean. I wonder if they come in any other flavor besides vanilla. I will have to look into their website and find out. Alright, next up we have... Ooh. It is a baked eyeshadow. I got one of these in my last box, and it was in gold in the shade Woke. This one is green, and it is the shade Envy, and it is also wrapped in plastic. So let me get the plastic wrap off and pop it open for you. Ooh, it is a green. Let me get it out of the light. It is a green gold. Let's give it a good old swatch. Oh. This reminds me actually a lot of my Espionage Cosmetics shade in Go Alone. It's hard to see. Sorry, my lighting's a little different. My regular light died, so I need to charge it up. But it is a green with a gold shift. It's hard to see, but that's really pretty, and that is big, and that is baked. And it is gorgeous. Okay, let me wipe off my fingers. I stuck all this stuff on top of my towel. Okay, there's still more stuff because you get like 5 items, and so far I don't know how many we got. Maybe the mask was an extra. I'll have to look. Okay, here's a little something. This is from Cocoa Betty, and it is coconut oil wipes. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a makeup remover wipe with coconut oil. Use me to remove makeup, nourish thirsty skin, clear blemished skin, smooth sensitive skin. We are Australian made, vegan, not tested on animals, 100% natural coconut oil. And then want to be famous, hashtag Cocoa Betty. That's cool. They're supporting other independent vegan and cruelty-free companies, and there's a close-up look at that. I will have to give that a try. Sounds interesting. I like that. And then next up we have by Peony, Cult Lashes Mascara for thick, bouncy lashes. And it is also cruelty-free, no parabens, no gluten, flower-powered infusion for bouncy lashes, supreme black formula, conditions and thickens. Ooh. Cool. And you can find them on Instagram at Peony Cosmetics. Yes. And there is that. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave it in the box for now because I have mascara going. And I don't want to open this, but I guess I could open the box and show you what the tube looks like and then keep it in the box. Because I already have a backup mascara too, but just a plain black mascara called Cult Lashes. I'm excited. This is all really good sounding stuff. Alright, and there's one last thing left in here, and this is by Medusa's Makeup and Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Ooh. Okay, and do we have a shade? I don't know. Let's open it up. It is sealed. Okay. I don't have a thing handy, so there. I'll just peel it with my fingernail. And now I've got the tape stuck to my finger. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Really pretty packaging, though. But let's get the actual package and see what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, that's just, I was like, it's iridescent. No, that's just like a foamy thing they wrapped around it. But this is, oh, this is really dark. This is the bronzer, and it is, I guess the shade is Sun-Kissed. So let me see if I can get this open, and I will swatch it on the back of my hand. This looks like it might be really dark for me, because I'm very pale, but, you know, we'll see. It might be, it's very orangey. There's that shade, very orange. Let me see if I can shear that out, what that looks like. Well, it's very orange and it does have a shimmer to it. I don't think this is something I'm going to keep. I will probably pass it on, see if it's something my daughter might like. But that is really pretty. It smells really great. I don't know if you can see up close. Look at all the sparkles. That is some sparkly bronzer. But it feels really good. It's nice, soft formula. So yeah, that's it. That is everything. So let's see what our bonus item is. Looking at the card. So we've got The Baked Eyeshadow in Envy retails for $14. The Sun-Kissed Bronzer is also $14. The Rage Against the Beam Lip Balm is $8.95. The Peony Mascara, Cult Lashes Mascara is $23. That's a pretty good deal. And the Cocoa Betty Wipe is $3. And so our bonus items were both the mask and the headband. And the items in this box, they already did the math for me. I don't have to figure it out unless you guys want to do the math and see if they were wrong. But they say the items in this bag value $62.95, and I paid, I believe, $18 for this bag, so that is a really good deal in my opinion. If you would like to check out Medusa's makeup, like I said, I have a link, affiliate link down there. You can go over and check out their products and sign up for the subscription bag if you would like, or just peruse their products and buy something that strikes your fancy. But that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I upload something, they'll send you a notification saying, hey, new video. And until I see you in my next video, take care. Bye-bye.